Chapter 7, Introduction to MS Excel. 2016, Creating a New Workbook. Excel files are called workbooks. When you start a new project in Excel, you need to create a new workbook. Let us learn how to create a new workbook. 1. Select the File tab. The Backstage view will appear. 2. Select New, then click Blank Workbook. 3. A new blank workbook will appear. The keyboard shortcut to create a new workbook is Ctrl plus N, creating a new workbook 1. Click a cell to select it. 2. Type something into the selected cell and then press Enter. The content will appear in the cell and the formula bar. You can also enter and correct cell content in the formula bar. Saving a workbook. Whenever you create a new workbook in Excel, you should know how to save it in order to open and edit it later. With old versions of Excel, you could only save files locally to your computer. But with Excel 2016, you can save a workbook to the cloud using OneDrive. There are two ways to save a file in Excel: save and save as. These options work in a similar way with some significant differences. Save. This command is used when you create or edit a workbook. This command is used most of the time. When you save a file, you need to choose a file name and location. Save as. This command is used to create a copy of a workbook while keeping the original one intact. When you use save as, you need to choose a different name and slash or a location for the copied version. To save a workbook, select the Save command on the Quick Access toolbar. To save the workbook to your computer, select this PC and then click Browse. On the other hand, you can also click OneDrive to save the file to your OneDrive. The Save As dialog box will appear. Select the location where you want to save the workbook. Enter a file name in the Save As dialog box for the workbook and then click Save. The workbook will be saved. The keyboard shortcut key to save a workbook is Ctrl plus S, opening an already existing workbook. Many times, you may need to open a workbook that you had previously saved to edit, add new sheets, or print it. Let us learn how to open an existing workbook. Navigate to the Backstage view and then click Open or press Ctrl plus O on your keyboard. 1. Select this PC and then click Browse. You can also choose OneDrive to open files stored on your OneDrive. 2. The Open dialog box will appear. Locate and select your workbook, then click Open. All your recent workbooks appear in the recent list. You can also simply browse through them instead of then searching for them. Renaming a worksheet 1, right-click on the worksheet tab you want to rename. Then select Rename from the context menu. 2. Type the desired name for the worksheet. 3. Click anywhere outside the worksheet tab or press Enter on your keyboard. The worksheet will be renamed. Inserting a worksheet. 1. Select the New Sheet button near the bottom left corner of the Excel window. 2. A new blank worksheet will appear. By default, any new workbook you create in Excel will contain one worksheet called Sheet 1. You can change the number of worksheets by navigating to the Backstage view, clicking Options, and then choosing the desired number of worksheets to add in each new workbook. Deleting a worksheet 1. Right-click the worksheet you want to delete, then select Delete from the worksheet menu. 2. The worksheet will be deleted from your workbook permanently. To prevent worksheets from being edited or deleted, you can protect them by right-clicking the desired worksheet and selecting Protect Sheet from the worksheet menu. Selecting range of cells in a worksheet. On a worksheet, you can select cells, ranges, rows, or columns. You can select all or a part of the cell contents and turn on editing mode so that you can modify the data. In order to work with a cell, you need to first select it. Let's learn how to select cells, ranges, rows, or columns on a worksheet. To select and to do this, a single cell. Click the cell or press the arrow keys to move to the cell. A range of cells, click the first cell in the range and then drag it to the last cell, or hold down shift while you press the arrow keys to extend the selection. Non-adjacent cells or cell ranges. Select a first cell or range of cells and then hold down Control while you select the other cells or ranges. All cells on a worksheet. Click the Select All button. You can also press Ctrl plus A to select the entire worksheet, an entire row or column. Click the row or column heading. To quickly select an entire row using the keyboard, press Shift plus Spacebar. To quickly select an entire column using the keyboard, press Shift plus Spacebar. Closing a workbook. To close an active workbook, do one of the following. In the upper right corner of the Excel window, click Close, or on the File tab and then click Close. Press Ctrl plus W on your keyboard to close the workbook.